ladies and gentlemen, RailROL82 here, your railroad archaeologist. Today we are at the CSX Homestead subdivision, and I'm going to show you guys the Miami version of street running over here. So here you have your milepost. So this is really 1043. It's implied that it's 1000. It comes all the way from Richmond, Virginia, when Seaboard airline built this railroad. And here's your relay case. I'm trying to see if it's like a USNS or what. Oh, MI, here you go, MI. Here's your meter. And here you have your crossing equipment. It's actually USNS. And then your emergency contact info. You got safe trend lights all around. Nosy people. Okay, so when I said Miami version of street running, this is what I meant by that. Here you have your grade crossing. And here is what I meant by that. So this was built in 1926. So in 1926, I imagine 99% of these homes were, or 100% of these homes went around. And yeah, this goes right here, all the way south to Homestead. Let me show you the crossing on this side. You have, oh, you actually have a mechanical bill up top. Nice. Safe tran on this side. Emergency contact info. Safe tran. That bell is a WCA's. And you got your divided highway right there. You got your pavement crossing. Take you guys to give you one last shot of the tracks. So that is facing south, and this would be facing north. This is a nice little view here. I like it. It looks like a residential area slash forest. And the funny thing is that just some blocks to the right, you have your old former FEC Little River Spur, your defunct FEC Little River Spur, I should say. All right, guys, please leave me a comment, thumbs up, subscribe. They all help me in the YouTube algorithm. You guys know what that is. Comment below. Thank you so much. Always a pleasure. Bye-bye.